Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode, and in this video we will discuss about this lab creating a persistent disk. So after starting the lab, simply open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window, then come on to your Google Cloud Console. If you want, you can close this pop-up. Then for this lab, activate the Cloud Shell from here. Then just wait for some time, and you will get a pop-up. Okay, just click on this authorize, and then just wait for some time. Okay, after activating the Cloud Shell, simply come onto the lab instruction page and come onto the task number 1. And before executing the task number 1 command, simply scroll up a little bit. You will get some commands here. So first of all, simply copy this command from here, paste it here in Cloud Shell. Okay, I got it. Okay, just wait for some time. While copying the commands, just make sure that you are not copying any extra space. Otherwise, you will get the error. Okay. Now just wait for some time. Yeah, that. Now let's run the second command, run, and then third one. There. And you have to run these three commands, otherwise you will face error in the upcoming tasks. Okay, so make sure to run all these three commands. Then come on to the task number 1. We have to create a new VM instance using command line interface. So simply copy this command from here and paste it here in the cloud shell. This will actually basically create a VM instance for us. So just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the output here, our VM config, we have got the output. We are done with the task number 1. Simply click on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Let's move to the task number 2. Here we have to create new persistent disk. So simply again copy this command, paste it here in Cloud Shell and then hit enter. Then again just wait for some time. This is going to take at least 1 to 2 minutes. So simply wait for some time. Okay. So you can see status is ready. We are also done with the task number 2. Okay. So we have got the green tick in both the tasks. Let's move to the task number 3. And do not try to directly move on the commands of task number 3. Do not directly move on to the last commands of the task number 3. Otherwise, you will get the error. So let's do it step by step. Okay. Come to the task number 3. Copy the first command from here and paste it here in the cloud shell and then hit enter. Just wait for some time. And okay, sorry. You don't have to open that link. By mistake, I clicked on that. Now, after running the first command, simply come on to the second one. This will actually convert your Cloud Shell into VM instance SSH. So simply run this command and here press Y and then enter. Now this is asking for a phrase. So we don't have to enter any phrase. Simply press enter once, then again press enter. Means you have to press enter 2 times. Okay. After that, simply wait for some time. And we have got the error here. So just ignore that error. Then come on to the another command, copy the command from the task number 3, paste it here, and then enter. I think there is some issue. Let me rerun the first command, which will convert to SSH. Just wait for some time. Okay, so if you are also facing error, like while running this persistent disk and virtual machine section code, like this, you are getting error. Simply what you have to do, simply search for VM instance and open this VM instance. Now you can simply minimize this. What you have to do is, you will get this VM instance, simply click on this SSH and open in the new tab or new window, whatever. Just wait for some time. I was actually getting error here. So let's try it in VM SSH. Just wait for some time.